What up guys? So basically today we're going to Gurdwara. I didn't vlog yesterday, which was Saturday, which we ended up going to a Kirtan program at someone's house. We ended up playing Uno and what else did we do? Basically that's all we did all day, and we rested, and I just packed up some of my stuff from the road trip and just unpacking stuff, and I've actually came down with a cold, so I'm actually feeling really ill right now even though I don't look it. But yeah, so that's me right now, and we're going to go to Gurdwara today, and then we've got house visits to do, so we're going to Jyoti's family's house, and then we'll see what happens after that. We'll just go with the flow. But yeah, I'll show you the suit I'm wearing. Two sequins. Ignore the mess. So yeah, I'm just wearing this Gurdwara suit. And yeah, cool.
Okay. Hey guys, I'm making a vlog. Oh, she's in date. I'm making a vlog.
Okay, go for it.
Good.
Make it crazy.
Oh, tu baad recording kari janna ha bire idli.
हाँ vlog record करके.
हाँ शाबाश, very nice. बस इधर रख इधर ना कर, कैमरे में इधर रखिया. फिर वो वीडियो कम उतना कम नहीं होनी. दस्तार देख मेरी.
Okay. Anyways, sorry for taking a storage.
Oh, hello.
Hello. Look, she's out.
I'm ill. Okay, now you're zooming into her face.
I can't. I don't know how.
Using the wrong cap, love. That's the focus on.
There we go.
Yeah. Yeah. Do I look ill? I'm so ill. You got me ill, first of all, okay?
I have not.
You got me ill.
Okay, anyways, before the storage dies. Look at this beast. Oh.
I can see you.
Okay, enough.
What up guys? So basically I didn't finish the vlog yesterday because, you know, I was just too tired, and I'm really, like, I was ill, so I'm feeling a little better today, so it's not too bad. But yeah, so we are now going to the shops today. I'm literally wearing the same clothes as yesterday because I barely wore them, but I'm wearing these cargo pants with my Timberlands. But yeah, so we're gonna go shopping. We're gonna go to his family's house again, have dinner, and I think that's basically the last day here in New Zealand. So, and then tomorrow we leave. Tell you, are we taking this car? बहुत बढ़िया यार. ज्योति तू खरीद दिया
Shoes Nike de Air Max.
Air Max ही है. Really?
It's latest model. Rama?
दिखा
ऐसे ही
हाँ तेरा फेस बहुत ज़्यादा जूम देना
अच्छा
अच्छा
Pro Max 11 5G UK.
Okay. Open it. Open.
Hey, yes, these ones. Nice shoes.
Nice.
Very nice.
Nice.
Okay. ਬਾਲੇ ਕੰਫਰਟੇਬਲ ਸੀਗੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਪੈਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਨਾਈਸਲੀ ਕੀਤੇ
चल कोई ना रख दे वापस
नहीं मैं पैक नाइसली कर हाँ फिर जस किथे जाना हुण आपां
पता नहीं सारे पासे What up guys? Okay, so basically last night our battery died completely, so we ended up recording on Jyoti's phone for the remaining of it. Yeah, so today's the next day, but I'll start a new vlog today. But I mean, yeah, so yesterday basically we went down to North Shore, saw like the city view, had some ice cream, it was yummy. And what else did we do? Basically walked in the city and I met an amazing subscriber. She literally parked up and just walked right towards me, like direct contact, and I was just like, I don't know her. And then yeah, she introduced her to herself to me, and then like yeah, we started talking for a bit. Yeah, and then we went back to our family's house, had some dinner, watched some wedding movies obviously. And yeah, came back home, and we came back at 11:30 or something crazy. And now it's another day, so we're just packing, and I'll start a new vlog right now. Anyways, until today's vlog, you know, bye!